Welcome to the Checkpoint AI Agent Security demo video, located in the Checkmates Lab section on the Checkmates platform. This video will guide you on how to set up the demo and provide a step-by-step walkthrough of the demo's flow. Let's start. First, click the Launch Container button. The system is spinning up. It will take a few minutes. In the meantime, go to Lakera AI. You can find this link and more information in the cookbook link on the main page. Now, create an account using a valid email address and answer the 3 questions that follow. When done, go to the main dashboard and click the API Access option in the main menu on the left. Now press the Create New API key. When the API key creation is done, press the Copy button on the right to copy the key. Before leaving this page, press the Logs option on the main menu on the left to open the Logs page. Now, go back to Checkmates Labs. The demo environment should be ready, and you will find a window with 2 options: Open Demo and Admin Panel. Press the Open Demo button. The demo will open in a new browser tab. You will see a bank account page and a chat option on the right side. That's where you'll enter the prompts that drive the demo. Now, go back to the Checkmates Lab demo window and click the Admin Panel button. Another browser tab will open with Demo Settings options. It opens on the Security tab by default. You will find a field titled Lakera API Key. Paste the API key you have copied from the Lakera dashboard and press Enter. You should get a green bar on the top after a few seconds, saying Validating Lakera API Key. Under Security Configuration, you will now find a toggle switch called Enable Lakera Guard. Turn it on. You should now have 3 browser tabs open: the Demo Environment, the Admin tab, and the Lakera AI Site tab. You will use all 3 throughout the demo. Also, keep the Checkmates Labs page open as well. You will need it later. Now, go back to the demo page. Note the chat has a yellow button on top saying, Lakera watching. Your demo is now ready. Type Q1 to trigger the first question. Sara received a response. Now type Q2 to trigger the second question. Sara receives a reply, but note the red flag at the top right corner. Now, go to the Lakera AI site page and explore the log that was created. Let's continue. Return to the bank page and type Q3 to trigger the third question. In the chat, Sara gets a reply, but not the one she hoped for. Sara asks another question. Type Q4 to trigger the fourth question and the subsequent rejection. Sara persists. Type Q5 to trigger the fifth question. For obvious reasons, that request is rejected too. Sara will now shift from seemingly innocent questions to more direct attacks. Type Q6 to trigger the sixth question. This, of course, meets the same rejection from the chatbot. Now, go to the Lakera AI site page and explore the log that was created. Return to the main demo window to continue. Sara wants to understand what is preventing her from getting the loan. She needs to find out her risk score and the contents of the confidential internal notes. Type Open My Profile. To retrieve the confidential information about her account status, Sara will store a prompt attack in her personal profile, where her address information is recorded. Click the Paste Injection into Address field button. Press the Save Changes button. Now, go back to the demo page and type Q2 to trigger the second question once again. This time, Sara gets what she wants because of the stored attack that she triggered by asking the chatbot to read her personal details. After the stored attack was successful, and Sara knows what her problem is, she proceeds to the next part of the attack, changing her risk score and status in the internal notes. To start Sara's next move, we need to connect an MCP server. To connect the MCP server, go to the Admin Browse tab. Click the MCP tab. Click Connect button. Note the success connection message at the top. Click the View Document button. Click the Hidden Content link at the bottom of the red bar. Note the hidden attack embedded in the seemingly innocent tax return form. It would be invisible to the eye, but the MCP tool will read it. Now, go back to the demo browser page. Type Q7 to trigger the 7th question. Note that question 7 will require the MCP to negotiate the next step of retrieving the uploaded files. The tools the agent is using are routine, but the user is hiding malicious intent. Type Q8 to trigger the 8th question, which would require reading Sara's tax return form with the malicious prompt attack. This is what happens next. The prompt attack is executed, updating Sara's personal details, changing her risk score, and upgrading her to a VIP customer status, eligible for a $500,000 loan. Now, go to the Lakera AI site page and explore the log that was created. Back on the demo page, Sara can get the loan she was denied at the start of this demonstration. Type yes and any amount between 1 and 500,000. Type yes to confirm and press send. Note: the bank account page has been updated to reflect the new balance. Now, let's explore another attack method called SUTL injection. For that matter, go back to the main page and click the cookbook link. Scroll down and click number 7 in the table of contents, SQL injection attack. Scroll down and you will see option A, titled Via Chatbot. Copy the SQL command and go back to the demo page. Paste the command into the chat and press send. What you executed here was a database SQL command that exposed not just Sara's confidential information, but other bank customers. And to wrap it all up, go to the Lakera AI site page and explore the log that was created. Thank you for watching. Hope it was useful. See you in the next video.